Hello, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Robyn and I do sewing and crafting tutorials. But today is Friday Sews. I can't believe it's April 1st already. Wow, March went by really fast. And I'm so excited because in April, at the end of this month, my first granddaughter will be born. Yay! And if y'all think about it, if you could pray for my daughter-in-law, she's had a really rough pregnancy and I just pray for everything to go well and smooth for her and for my little granddaughter. I can't wait to meet her. So I'm so excited for April to finally be here. Yay! Wow, it's been a busy month. I was so busy that I didn't even get my project cut out for the Sew Frugal 22 until Wednesday, the day before I was supposed to post it. I cut it out and sewed it and ended up doing the hem on Thursday morning and getting it posted just in time. But I made it, I got it in there. And this is the Melina tunic. It's a free pattern from Mood. It's a free pattern from Mood Fabrics. And I'll put a link in my description box. So if you want to check it out and print it and make it yourself, you can. And I'll post a picture at the end so you can see it better. But it was very quick and easy to make because I didn't even cut it out until Wednesday. So you know it's easy. And it's just a front and back pattern that you cut on the fold, and it has the facings for the front and back. But I didn't use the facings because my fabric was so sheer. I just cut two of these and lined it. And I lined it and used the burrito method, my favorite method. It makes it so easy. So I got that finished and I was so happy to get that posted and uploaded. I was also busy making my garment for the collaboration I'm doing with Stephanie Farrell Focus, and we're finally going to post it. Yay! This April 3rd, this Sunday, April 3rd. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see our collaboration will be posted this Sunday. So be looking for that. I can't wait. And I don't know if you saw my video last week. I did a tutorial on, I had a broken lipstick, and so I put it in another container since I couldn't use it in here since it broke off, and I cleaned and washed it out, and I have a tutorial of how to turn it into a needle holder. And the fabric looks like lipstick, but it's just fabric that I put some cotton batting in and made it into a needle holder to take on the go. If you want to know how to make this, I'll put a link in my description box so you can see how to make this for yourself. I also just did a tutorial on how I fold my fabric and put it on a paper plate from Dollar Tree. I get 16 in a pack from Dollar Tree. And if you want to see how I fold it, because I have a really unique way of how I fold it and put it on the plate and put it on my bookshelf back there. So if you want to see how to do that, I'll put a link in my description box. I'm still working on my sewing room. You saw last week when I posted the before pictures how messy my sewing room is, especially my sewing closet. Yikes. It's a mess. So I've been working on that. We rearranged the furniture in here twice because the first time we moved things around, I didn't really like the layout. And we moved it again to my sweet husband. He's so patient with me. And so now I'm trying to figure out if I like where everything is now, and I still have a lot of decluttering to do. I decluttered my whole sewing desk, got every drawer cleaned out and organized, so that feels really good. But you saw my closet, it's a disaster. It's gonna take me a while to get that organized. But once I get the main sewing room done, I will do a reveal and show you how I've rearranged it and how I've organized it. And then eventually I'll show you the closet once that's done, but that's probably gonna take a lot longer. But hopefully in the next 1 or 2 weeks I can show you my sewing room. But it feels so much bigger just getting that big table out of here. So I'm excited to keep working on that in the future, and I'll probably be sewing some more garments, most likely a dress. I got all that beautiful fabric you saw in my haul. So I'll probably be making another dress for the spring and summer. You know me, I love my dresses. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you like this video, click on this video right here. I think you'll really like it. Thanks for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.